Hello guys, welcome to Channel Pro Gadgets. Today I'm telling you about top 5 best drone camera with 4K under $1,500. Start the video now. Drone number 1. DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo 1 battery, FPV drone with camera 4K immersive experience, built-in propeller guard, easy flip roll, FAA remote ID compliant, POV content camera drone, black. Unlock adrenaline-pumping immersive flying. Prompt visual feedback through goggles as if you were right there in the cockpit, enjoying a breathtaking perspective, pure thrill and total freedom. Intuitive motion control. Effortlessly control the drone's movement with your hand. No complex buttons, just natural, easy movements, enabling even beginners to fly confidently and with ease. Easy acrobatics. Fly like a pro in no time. Perform jaw-dropping flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts without extensive training. Elevate your flying skills and capture awesome with ease. Tight shots in super wide 4K. The 155-degree FOV and ultra-sharp video bring you a unique experience, and the 1.3-inch image sensor helps you capture stunning 4K 60 FPS low-altitude footage. Built-in propeller guard for safety. Super sturdy. With integrated propeller guards, the drone is more robust and durable, allowing you to fly more freely in various scenarios. Hassle-free POV content. Filmmaking at launch, lightweight and portable, the drone is ready to help capture high-quality POV content, and Lightcut app offers numerous templates to make your content creation a breeze. DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo 1 battery includes everything in the drone-only options as well as DJI RC Motion 3, DJI Goggles 3, and more. Great for new users who want the full FPV experience. FAA Remote ID compliant. DJI Avata 2 complies with the FAA Remote ID rule. Please visit the FAA's website for requirements of drone registration and remote ID. Drone number 2. DJI Mini 3. DJI RC, lightweight 3x mechanical gimbal mini camera drone with 4K HDR video, 38-min flight time, up to 32,800 feet, 10 kilometers video transmission, vertical shooting, GPS auto return integrated. No registration needed, under $249. FAA registration and remote ID are not required if you fly for recreational purposes. Visit the FAA's official website for requirements related to drone registration and remote ID. 4K UHD stunning imagery, film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. With dual native ISO fusion, Mini 3 enables the capture of details in highlights and shadows, both day and night. 3. Striking vertical videos are ready to share. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. And after capturing, it's in the perfect orientation to post to Instagram or TikTok. Extended battery life. Its flight time can be extended up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, but the aircraft will weigh more than 249 grams. Fly More Combo offers up to 114 minutes of total flight time. 2. 38 Level 5. Wind-resistant and 3-axis gimbal for stable. With its Level 5 wind-resistant and 3-axis mechanical gimbal, Mini 3 can capture consistently smooth 4K imagery. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. 10 kilometers max HD video transmission, up to 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet, 5 of HD video transmission, and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to freely explore vast landscapes and see clearer. Creative features for advanced shots. Epic shots are at your fingertips. Use quick shots to choose dynamic flight patterns or capture a stunning view with panorama. Beginner-friendly and safe. Designed for beginners, GPS return to home RTH, precise hovering, auto takeoff landing, giving you plenty of confidence in flying. Additional in-app learning resources help you master flight quickly. Quick transfer via Wi-Fi. No remote control is needed. You can turn on the Wi-Fi download after pairing the drone close to your phone, and the download speed is up to 25 megas per second, which is simple and fast. includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. Drone number 3 best fishing drone with bait release. 30 mins waterproof mini FPV drone. Auto drop bait foldable quadcopter drone with 4K camera, Kingfisher battery plus propellers. 4K camera plus single axis gimbal. High definition 4K image transmission. Electronic anti-shake mobile phone app. 5G Wi-Fi for real-time aircraft flight status, data, and video monitoring. Real-time video transmission distance can reach 1,500 meters. No need to calibrate the magnetic compass. This flight control of fishing drone has the built-in GPS automatic heading correction function and GPS compass interference monitoring function. AutoCast makes sea fishing safer and easier. 30 mins flying camera drone has the most stable flight control system in the world. Easy to operate waterproof drone. This drone is dustproof, sandproof, and waterproof, which can better maintain the performance of the drone and make it easier to operate. Lightweight and easy to carry mini drone. 4,800 mAh battery drone, small size, equipped with a suitcase, so you can travel all the time to shoot as you like. Family vacation must-have fishing UAV. Not only enjoy the fun of fishing, waterproof drone equipped with a 4K HD camera, 90-degree rotating gimbal, you can enjoy shooting at the beach, no longer afraid of water cannot be used. The children love it more. Drone number 4, DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with RCN2 remote controller. Drone with camera 4K, dual primary cameras, 3 batteries for extended flight time, 48 megapixel photo, camera drone for adults, FAA remote ID compliant. Capture breathtaking, immersive shots. DJI Air 3's dual cameras offer creative focal length options ideal for travel photography. Show off stunning environments and tell captivating stories through your lens. FAA remote ID compliant. DJI Air 3 complies with the FAA remote ID rule. Please check the compliance document below to see the user guide for remote ID. And you can visit the FAA's website for requirements of drone registration and remote ID. Enhanced safety, worry-free flying. Fly confidently with Air 3's omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It ensures comprehensive protection even in challenging environments like forests. Stunning 48 megapixel images for high-quality crops. Air 3 captures impressive 48 megapixel images, allowing for remarkable crops. Even quickly snapped travel photos can be cropped to reveal surprising details. Immersive footage with rich details. Record stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR videos with the dual cameras. Experience breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and lifelike details. Stable 04 HD transmission for smooth flights. The 6-antenna array significantly improves video transmission. Enjoy a stable 1080p 60 FPS live feed up to 20 kilometers, ensuring smooth flights with clear and reliable transmission. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log in to the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI Fly. With DJI Goggles Integra, DJI Goggles 2, and DJI RC Motion 2, Air 3 is primed to give you an exhilarating first-person flight experience. Battery charger sold separately. It is recommended to purchase the DJI 65-watt portable charger or DJI 100-watt USB-C power adapter. Firmware update. The new Vision Assist feature provides visual assistance and improved aerial safety in 4 directions. And the new Active Shots 360-degree delivers enhanced subject tracking capabilities. Drone number 5 GPS drone with 4K dual camera for adults, foldable HD drones for kids and beginners, 3000 mAh batteries 2, optical flow localization, surrounding flight, smart return home, dual shot switching, smart around obstacle avoidance aircraft, gestures selfie. 4K HD camera adjustable drone and app control. Equipped with 2 4K HD cameras, they are front camera and bottom camera, both of which can take videos and photos. The front camera is a 120 degrees wide-angle adjustable camera. Drone is capable of capturing stunning aerial photos and videos with gestures automatically at close range, recording your life's moments. The drone can be also connected to a mobile to take photos and videos, which can be real-timely saved in the phone. Multiple functions. This drone has hovering system and optical flow positioning technology, can ensure a more stable and controllable flight. The GPS drone also has the features such as follow me flight, waypoint flight, 360 surrounding flight, headless mode, auto return, low power return, lost contact return, one key takeoff return, etc. Fly time and distance. The drone is equipped with two pieces of 3000 mAh large capacity batteries with overcharging protection function when charging, which can last about 46 minutes flight in total. There is no batteries in the remote. You need to prepare 3 PCs number 5 batteries for the remote by yourself. The recommended max flight distance is about 800 meters. If you exceed the distance, the drone will automatically return. Palm size. Drone to carry. When folded, this drone with 4K camera is the size of your palm and super convenient to carry around. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, and it even fits in your pocket. The powerful brushless motors ensure more durable flight and less flight noise, make your operation safe and reliable. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced player, drone will provide you with a delightful flying adventure experience. The best gift choice. On the top of this, drone shows in English for your better understanding and operation. 2. The batteries of drone is not full when it leaves the factory, so it is recommended that you first charge the batteries after receiving the drone, and then go to the test flight to get better results. The charging duration of 3000 mAh battery is about 2-3 hours for each. Remove the battery when not in use. A mini drone with a camera makes for a cool and creative gift for your friends, partner, son, or grandson. Be careful to avoid obstacles and avoid collisions during flight. Drone number 6 V11 drones with camera for adults 4K 70 min long flight time, gimbal and EIS 430 FPS professional drone, 3K long range, GPS auto return, easy app controlled, integrated FAA remote ID. FAA compliant rep with integrated remote ID. The V11 has completed FAA certification requirements for safe and hassle-free flight without the need of additional modules. 4K gimbal camera plus EIS anti-shake captures smooth and steady footage with the V11's dual stabilization, a self-stabilizing mechanical gimbal, and EIS technology. Its 4K 30 FPS EIS camera and digital transmission offer a wider, clearer view at 3840 by 2160 resolution and 100 degrees angle. Extended 70 min flight time. Enjoy uninterrupted flight adventures with 2x3500 mAh batteries, providing a total flight time of 70 minutes, supported by fast charging for swift returns to the skies. Beginner-friendly ultrasonic. The integration of ultrasonic technology and Phoenix landing pad ensures effortless drone descents, reducing any worries of bouncing and guaranteeing a smooth landing every time. Professional digital transmission. V11 professional digital transmission extends image transmission up to 9,842 FT, surpassing Wi-Fi for stability and clarity. The upgraded remote control enhances ergonomics for a more comfortable experience. Intelligent GPS features. With GPS, V11 transforms your every whim into reality, offering features like follow me, point of interest, waypoint. With its auto return, the drone ensures a safe journey back to its takeoff point, eliminating any fear of losing. Level 6 wind resistance. The V11's advanced brushless motor enhances its lifespan and reliability while ensuring smoother operation. With an impressive level 6 wind resistance, it maintains stability and accuracy even in harsh weather conditions. Note, this package doesn't include the landing pad, but we offers a 90-day quality warranty. For tech support and accessories, contact Venix support team. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.